Let's talk about embossing. You guys have asked for this video for a long time, and I do apologize for the delay, but it took me a while to be comfortable enough with this feature to get the information out there. Hi, I'm Brenda Lambert. I'm a TJC licensed instructor for Silhouette. You've found your way to Silhouette success, and I do hope that you're going to join our little community. We would absolutely love to have you. Now, besides the YouTube channel, I also run a Facebook group. I have a Facebook page, and I'm over on TikTok. If you're on any of those other platforms and it's more of your vibe, check me out there. I will put all of the links in the description below. Now, what I've done in this video is I've taken a lot of information and I have condensed it down into an easy to follow guide. If you want to learn how to use the embossing tool yourself, you're going to want to watch the video through, then go back and watch it while you're doing your project. If you are more experienced with the embossing tool, I'm sure there's something in here for you as well. So let's get started. I'm starting with a brand new embossing mat today. You can emboss with a regular Silhouette mat, but your results are not going to be as good as if you're using the embossing mat. So I do recommend grabbing one. They're a little bit pricey, but worth it. It does have a protective film on it, and you can remove it with this little blue tab here. In the package, you'll also find these clear plastic pieces. They look like little combs. They are to hold your paper in place better. Let's take a second to get this loaded into the machine. Then we'll head over to Silhouette Studio to set up our user-defined settings so that we can use the embossing tool with the Cameo 5. Let's go right to the Send panel and go down to Carriage 2. You'll notice that I have already set up a material for Emboss Cameo 5, and that's what I'll be using today. But I want to walk you through the steps of creating your own setting. You want to come down here to where it says More and click on that. That will bring up this menu here. And we are going to go ahead and click on the plus sign. That's going to bring up a new material. I'm just going to call it Emboss. We need to choose which machine we are creating this setting for. I'm creating this setting for the Cameo 5, so let's click on this one. And we are working with Carriage 2. Carriage 2 is set for Craft Cut. We need to come over to this plus sign and click on that. Brings up this drop down menu here, and we're going to add emboss action. That has kicked the craft cut over one, and now the emboss tab is open. Let's click on the craft cut tab and remove this action. We don't need it there. Now the only action there is emboss, and it has populated the settings for us. These are the settings that I went with. I noticed that if I bumped the force up any, it started to make indentations on the mat, and we don't want to ruin this mat. Again, they are costly. Notice that I cannot click on save, so I clicked on track enhancing. Now save is lit up and we can click on save. We can go to Carriage 1. We can remove this action. We don't want it to cut. It says removing this action will delete the division Carriage 1. That's okay. Let's go ahead and click on delete. Let's close out of this. Now, when you want to use your embossing tool with your embossing mat on the Cameo 5, you can click this arrow here, scroll all the way down to your user settings, and emboss is right here. And you'll no longer get the warning at the bottom saying there's no compatible material found. I did do some test runs with this. I just added the word test, and I knew I was going to go with Edwardian script, so I set it to that. Went to the Send tab. It comes in set to cut. Let's click on no cut, and we are going to switch this to emboss, and we can click on send. Now keep in mind, anytime you're using a fill pattern, the design is going to take a while to be completed. You may want to choose designs based on that fact. Designs that have less to fill in will be finished quicker. And if you pick a font that does not need fill lines, that will be the quickest. Once you have created your setting and tested it out, if you're happy with the results, you can move on to the actual designing part. Let's start with our page setup. I'm going to be using the Cameo 5 today, but I need to switch my mat over to Curio to emboss. That works with the Cameo 5 as well. I'm going to set my media size to letter and switch it to the landscape orientation. Now to make the template for our card, we can grab a rectangle from our drawing tools and just pull that out on the mat. It is selected, so we can go right up to our width and our height. Make sure our aspect ratio button is unlocked. Let's enter 10 for the width and 7 for the height. And once we add in our score line, it will be a 5x7 card. I am going to resize the score line. I want it to be 7 inches tall. I want the score line to be set to blue, and I want my card base cut lines to be set to red because those are going to cut. Let's go ahead and switch up the color on the card base as well. Now we can select both of these, right click, and group them together. I'll be using this design today. It's from a bundle from Creative Fabrica, and I will put the link in the description below in case you want to make this card for yourself. It does come in a little bit large. Let's go ahead and scale that down, and I'm going to set this cut off part right at the score line. So I need to right click and flip these horizontally. I'm going to go with the simple Thinking of You and change to Edwardian script. It's a nice thin font. We're going to place that right at the top. Thinking of You is going to be done with the embossing tool, so let's go ahead and set that line to blue as well. I'm not going to fill this in. It's a thin enough font that it really doesn't need a fill pattern. We do need to fill in these flowers. So let's select that and open up our specialty tools panel. The first tab is Emboss and Deboss. Deboss makes an indentation on the front of the card. Embossing creates a raised surface on the front of the card. We're going to go with embossing. Now this says, for embossing, place your material face down onto the Curio mat. Your page will be flipped horizontally when sent to the Curio so that the entire page is mirrored. We're going to set everything up just the way we want it, and the software will flip it for us. I have my flowers selected, and I'm going to choose one of these patterns to fill it in, and I'm going to go with the concentric embossing pattern. In order to get this filled in more, we need to bring our spacing down. We can just click on the down arrow until it is more filled in. I think that will be okay. We can click Release Emboss. Now in the Send page, I went to the Line tab. We are going to cut by line color. We can set the cut lines to cardstock, textured heavy. And in my test run, it did not cut completely through on this setting. So I'm going to bump my blade up by 1. For each of the blue lines, I'm going to set them to Emboss Cameo 5. Click on tool number 2 for this. These blue lines are also going to be embossed. So let's click on tool 2 and set this to Emboss Cameo 5 as well. Now I want all of this to emboss and then cut. If it cuts first, it has less area to grip the mat, and you have more chance of your project moving around on you. So let's click and hold on the red square and just drag it all the way down, and that will reorder our operations. So now we have emboss and then cut. When you have everything ready and your media is loaded, you're going to go ahead and click on Send. I'm going to be completely honest and say that this took forever, but I really like the way that the embossing of the flowers turned out. I was not so happy with the way Thinking of You turned out. It was a little bit bland for my taste. So I went back through and created a little banner that I could apply with some adhesive foam, and I made a little butterfly and added a few shiny beads to it, and then I was happy with the project.